Hey guys, it's Slime Shade Shop. Today's video is a restock video for the 13th of April, which is today, and it will be at 11 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, so make sure to set your alarm. And if you're interested in purchasing a slime from us, make sure to check the link in the description. It'll take you right to our shop where you can find all of the slimes. So the first slime I'm going to be showing you guys is Skittles Shaved Ice. This one is scented just like tropical Skittles. It's a blue snowfish slime that comes with these rainbow sprinkles, and it smells really good. This one makes really nice sounds, and it also inflates a ton. Up next we have Pink Lemonade Icy, scented like pink lemonade. It smells really good, and it has these lemon female slices along with lemon sprinkles. And obviously this is a icy textured slime. These next three slimes are all cloud slimes. I'll be playing with these ones, but I won't be playing with Cosmic Cloud because I don't want to ruin the colors. But Cosmic Cloud is rainbow sherbet scented. This is a bestseller. It also has this holographic glitter on the top and a charm. And this one is my favorite cloud slime. I totally recommend this one. So this first one is Stitch. It is blue Hawaiian scented. It comes with a Stitch charm and also has some blue glitter on top. This cloud slime is super easy to fluff up and has really nice slow drizzles. I'm literally in love with our cloud slime recipe. And if you haven't tried out one of our cloud slimes, I totally recommend you do. Up next we have Crushed Oreo Cloud. This is scented just like Oreos. It smells just like cookies and cream ice cream. It smells so good. If you like cookies and cream, then this slime is for you. It also comes with an Oreo charm and has some black glitter. So like all the other clouds, this one's super easy to fluff up, has super nice drizzles, and this one in particular smells really good. So this next one is Peach Fatty. It comes with a peach charm and it's scented just like peaches. It smells really good, and it also has this glitter that comes on the bottom of the container and the charm comes on the top. Sister shook. I look like a mermaid. What the heck? Look at it. Up next, we have an Easter themed slime. This one is Marshmallow Peeps. It comes with these pink and purple sprinkles, and it also comes with a peep / bunny charm, of course. This one is also one of the softest butters I've ever touched in my life, so if you're looking for a soft butter, this one's for you. This one is scented like buttercream cupcake, which is pretty much like a super sweet cake type of scent. It smells really good. This last one is bubblegum ice cream. It's scented like bubblegum, which is my favorite if you didn't know. Fun fact, I like bubblegum. Bubblegum is pretty delicious. It comes with a bubblegum bank charm. By the way, this is a DIY clay slime, and you get to mix in the blue and pink are clay, and then the middle is white base, so you just get to mix it yourself into, and it turns into a purple butter slime. I won't be mixing this though because I don't want to mix the colors. Also, don't forget guys, the restock will be at 11 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, April 13th. So make sure to set your alarms. And if you're interested in purchasing some slimes, make sure to check out the link in the description where you guys can find our shop, and it'll take you right to where you purchase some slimes. But other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Leave some comments down below of videos I should be doing next, or slimes you guys want to see in the future restocks. But other than that, hope you guys enjoyed, and don't forget to leave a like and do subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!